Hey guys, Dirk here, Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and I want to shoot this update here for you about follow blocked. Many of you are getting follow blocked, and I get a lot of questions at the moment about how do you solve this? How do you get out of? How do you get unblocked? And I see a lot of videos here on YouTube like, is this the end of automation and stuff like that? I don't think so. So first of all, a few things happened over the last few weeks, and this is a video I record here on June 12th in 2019. So, how to get follow block. Normally you would wait a few days, and normally the reason why you would get follow block is because you will probably have, running on automation, you have too aggressive settings. You're going too fast, you're going too, you're doing too many actions per hour and stuff like that. So it's really important that you really make use of the right settings. So, but now this is a different situation because many people got instantly blocked. I have, our students have agencies and they have clients, and I have clients as well, and I have saved settings. But instantly, all of them got blocked. I even know people that get blocked that are not running on automation. So there's a few things going on. So first of all, the last 2 weeks, there have been 3 outages with Instagram. So servers went down, everything crashed, or I don't know the details of that, how to explain it, but that doesn't matter. But a lot of things were wrong. People saw weird buttons popping up or disappear. Certain features that were there before suddenly were not there anymore, and this continued, and so this is a sign already that there's something wrong. So, but how to get unblocked? Well, there are a few theories that are going around. So actually there are 2 things. One, there are new settings to be applied, new borders, the maximum number of followers you can do, the number of actions you can take on with automation. And we run with Jarvee because it's what I think a very great tool to automate your Instagram. So at one point there is a bug. This could be, and I hope it's a bug because then it would be great. That messed things up because their servers went down, so the whole algorithm just went crazy and does all these things. And that is one thing. And then the other side, what's going to happen, that it's not a bug, but they actually changed their numbers. So what is the maximum you can follow? What is, what kind of things can you do? So it looks now that you can only follow 6,000 people per month. So that is, per 30 days. I have to be exactly, it's 6,000 followers per 30 days. So that means that it is 200 per day. That's a lot less than you could run. On my accounts we're running 600, 650, sometimes 700 new followers per day and running perfectly. So what I suggest, if you run Jarvee, and probably similar automation tools as well, but in Jarvee especially, go to your followers and go to social profiles, to the profile, and look for the statistics. Take your account and click on statistics on the right side bottom and see how many people you have followed for the last 30 days. It will give you an overview of the 30 days. So if you follow 600 people per day, you only have to count 10 days, and if more than 10 days, 600 people, that is a long time. That is many followers, right? So what happens if you have 600 people per day? That is 18,000 in 30 days. So you are only allowed 6. So that is 600 per day. Well, how do you calculate that? So you 18,000 minus 6 is 12,000, divided by 600 is 20 days. It's going to take 20 days before your block is being lifted. If this is the case, if it's a bug, it could be sooner. It could be any moment. But if it's not, this is the case. If we are only allowed to follow 200 people per day, then this is it. Make sure you change your settings. So just wait and be patient until you see every time there comes a 0 on top in your statistics till it drops. So when there are 10 days left, that's 6,000, maybe 9 days, 8 days. I have an account now that is in 5,700 and it's still blocked. So that's why I say it's a theory, but I have accounts still running and there were, you know, way below that 6,000. So that is a solution. Wait, be patient. And I know if you have clients, contact them, talk to them, keep them up to date. It's an Instagram error. It's not your fault. So talk to them. You know, it's out of your reach, it's out of your hands. So that is very important to know. Yeah, so wait, lower your settings to 200 per day. Also slow, you know how many actions, 510, and then the delay, I would crank up the delay to 500 to 600, and then just your follow limits 200 to 200. If you're not following more than 200, but with big delays, maybe you have some sleep time in it, maybe you have your night mode on, but make sure that the number up top says 200, and that's all you're gonna follow per day. And just wait for the 20 days, and hopefully that is there. If I have an update, I will give it here on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel here, the Freedom Lifestyles Academy. Also, I'm up to date in our training. If you like to, to have the new settings that are very safe, and once your block is gone, or you want to learn about automation, then make sure to check out our Instagram training here below. And guys, don't freak out. It's Instagram. It happens every year. Every year there's a big thing going. Wow, is this the end? Is this going on? People are getting blocked, and it always blows over. And if not, there will be something new. We'll figure things out, guys. So don't worry. But if you want to stay up to date, I'm on it. I'm connecting with Jarvie. I'm in the forums and talking to my mentors as well, and what I learn I share with you. And if you want to stay up to date, make sure to subscribe to our channel, the Freedom Lifestyles Academy here, and tick the bell icon so you get notified for the next video, so that you don't miss out and learn about new things later. Okay guys, that's it. Talk to you soon. Ciao.